Hey there, Fishing Tooling here. So today I am on Hoover Reservoir, just north of Columbus, Ohio. And I'm going to be trying some deeper water here, deeper than I'm used to on Buckeye Lake. So Hoover, around the perimeters where the rocks are, the water's down pretty low. It's about 12 to 15 feet around these perimeters. And then out in the main lake it gets up to 60 feet. So today primarily I'm going to be throwing this Vibramax blade bait from Venom lures, a couple different colors, this green one here and a fire tiger color. Target species today is crappie, but might try to get into some wipers too, or just anything that'll bite. So see how I do. So the other thing is I'm going to be mounting this on the back hole, so when I'm pulling forward it gets a little bit better vibration at a lower speed. Like I said, I'm going to be throwing along the rocks, probably about 10 to 15 feet deep is where I'm targeting. Hopefully the crappie are running through there. There we go. Okay, so Hoover Reservoir, which is held by Hoover Dam, is one of the main water supplies for the city of Columbus. They stock quite a bit of fish in here: crappie, bass, bluegill, saugeye. Earlier this spring they put a very large amount of walleye fry in Hoover, so we're hoping in the next few years that should pick up the walleye. Okay, so despite Hoover being down about 8 or 10 feet, it seemed like, didn't do too bad. Caught probably over 15 or so crappie, ended up keeping about 5. Biggest one was about 12 inches. I caught them all on this Venom Lures Vibramax blade bait. I had it hooked into this last loop here. That way with slow speed it got a good vibration going. If you do more vertical jigging with these, whether it's in ice or deeper water, you want to hook more towards the middle or the front of this. So really fun lure to throw. Caught them both on the green and the fire tiger, so definitely I'll keep using these in that deeper water. Make sure you get yourself some. Made it out to the main lake for a little bit and tinkered around, caught one little wiper. That was about it. I didn't really see anybody else pulling any fish up out there. So gonna take these 5 home and fry them up for dinner. Don't forget, strive to be fish rich.